Beware of Donald Trump and his surrogates' false narratives. They create an alternate universe where Donald Trump is the victim, when the truth is completely the opposite. Welcome to Law and Society. Today we're going to talk briefly about what's happening after the verdict has come out. After being found guilty of 34 felony counts in New York, Donald Trump came out of the courthouse and told reporters that the verdict was a disgrace and politically motivated. He went on a diatribe and attacked the judge and President Biden without any evidence of any political corruption. His surrogates have also started spreading their false narratives, disparaging the judge and jury. Mind you, the criminal process has not yet finished. The judge still has to sentence Donald Trump. Despite knowing this, Donald himself and his surrogates, including his lawyer, have gone on this PR campaign building the false narrative that somehow the trial was rigged. This false information is, as all other false narratives they spread, designed to activate radicalized foot soldiers to carry out random acts of violence. These false narratives not only attack the rule of law, but also create a harmful environment for those involved in the trial. The judge, the jury, the prosecutors, and what's worse is that Donald Trump and his surrogates go after these people's family members, like we know Donald has with Judge Merchan's daughter. So I hope that the court and prosecutors are aware and are cognizant of what Donald Trump and his surrogates are saying after the verdict is out. Because remember, Donald Trump has been found guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. He is a convicted felon. I hope at sentencing there is some form of sequestration for Donald Trump so he's not around the public. No social media, complete home confinement, maybe community service, and incarceration are on the plate. Now, the judge has the latitude of picking whatever the sentencing is going to be. They're going to delay sentencing pending appeal anyway. So the point is that Donald Trump continues to disparage and build this false narratives, and they create a false universe for his supporters. They see Donald as the victim because Donald has inundated them with that disinformation. And now his surrogates and Donald himself will start weaponizing that disinformation by sending out dog whistles in their public appearances that tacitly condone political violence. We must remain vigilant. We must call out these false narratives as soon as we see them. Because if we don't, we risk harm to people who are involved in the case. Donald Trump definitely does not help himself when he's attacking the court after he's been found guilty and before sentencing. But besides that, the harm caused to the people and the chance of harm to these people who are involved in the case goes up exponentially now that Donald Trump has been found guilty. And I hope that the authorities are going to pay attention to that. I hope the DA pays attention to that. And I hope that the judge takes these false narratives into consideration at sentencing. And with that, thank you so much for listening. Please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.